Alright, that brings us to the end of this class, and I'd like to personally congratulate you for getting this far, as you should now have sufficient confidence and knowledge to start building layered microservices in Node.js on your own. I really hope that you enjoyed going through each lesson as much as I did explaining them, and that the extra bits of theory and concepts I sprinkle here and there really gave you the desire to continue learning about Node.js and backend development in general. I of course encourage you to further your learning of this complex craft by tweaking, improving, and adapting the microservice we've built together, but also by taking the time to read the official documentation of the packages and technologies we've used throughout this course. Also, make sure to drop us an email at support@learnbackend.dev if you really enjoy this content, or if you have any ideas and suggestions on how to improve it, as we really welcome both. That being said, all there's left for me to do is to wish you good luck, patience, and perseverance on your way to becoming a great developer. So, see you in the next class. Cheers!